Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Never had a moment where I ever questioned you. You already know that. I ain't never stressed with you. Love me and you own that.
I bought Bleach, that 40 volume developer, and then I'm using Adore's Cajun spice. I also have a mixing bowl and this. So I'm just gonna pour this in here along with the 40 volume developer and mix it until it gets into like a oatmeal thickness, but like not watery type of consistency. Well, just guys, please make sure that you wear gloves because I did not know I had a cut on my thumb, and yeah, it's burning. At this point, you're gonna wanna put on the shower cap. Oh, okay. At this point, you're gonna want to put on a shower cap and let it do what it gotta do for a little second.
Bruh.
We gonna trust the process, cause this ain't it. We gonna trust the process. You know, I ain't got no gloves. My hands are gonna be orange. It's already burning. But we move. We move. Cover with plastic cap and process with heat for up to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna cover my hair for maybe like 20 minutes, honestly. And then I'm gonna wash it out and then rinse it and come back. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
So it's looking a little orange. It's looking a little sideshow bobbish. It's looking a little Chucky from Rugrats. It is, and that's okay. We move. We just gonna, you know, continue on doing what we was doing. I'm gonna style it. Gonna do a braid out, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna wake up early for y'all and show y'all the finished product. Okay. Hey y'all, it's the next morning and I did do the braid out on my whole entire head. So now I'm just gonna take out my braids and style it. So I'm gonna use the treatment oil that I said on my fingers. Get it on my fingers and then use that to take out my braids. And they are dry. I mean, they were in for like at least 12 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna take these out.
I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is more than a million. Your on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do.
Some parts of the back of my hair is not dry, so I have my blow dryer and I'm gonna try and stretch this while also drying it and see what I can do. And I think what I might end up doing actually is just putting it in a puff. So yeah.
All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long.
Okay, so usually, not gonna lie to you guys, I usually use like a shoelace or like something random tiny thing to like make my puffs. I can't find my shoelace right now, so hopefully this works. I got Eco Styler gel and a little hard brush to brush my hair up, and also a pick to pick it out. So yeah.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile.
And that is it, y'all. This is how I'm leaving it. You know, pick it to your desire. I'm looking in the mirror. And yeah, guys, I gotta go. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one, hopefully.